In case you missed it, I found out that I had been living in toxic mold for the last 5 years and it was making me sick.
Yep, that's black mold in my bathroom.
And let me tell you, it was so hard to find a mold remediation company that would actually get the mold out of our home and not just fog. Before I even begin to tell you about the remediation itself, we've got to backtrack.
I sat down and interviewed 11 mold remediation companies, and of the 11, there was only one that met the incredibly high standards and my non-negotiables that I had for remediation. So let's talk about what those were.
One of my absolute non-negotiables was that our mold remediation company had to physically remove the mold, cut it out.
A future sneak peek of mold doctors physically removing the tile to get to the black mold behind my shower wall so that they could physically get all the mold out. My second absolute non-negotiable was that our mold remediation company not only had to do containment on our home, but they had to do it at the highest level. Without containment, you run the risk of contaminating your entire house with mold spores, which could be a very, very bad situation. And if you don't know what proper containment is, I have more coming on that in the future.